Got some Flow Motorsports pegs here. These are the MX Pro Series. They do have replaceable cleats.
I can't find a network connection. Please connect and try again.
Shut up, phone. Look at these things, man. Come with the Flow stickers. Those are 4mm cleats. You can replace those with a 4mm socket. So that's cool. These things will essentially last you forever, man. They are pretty. Look at that. Man, my hands are dirty. I just changed the tire. There's your springs. Got your stickers. Just some nice pegs, man, for about 120 bucks, 130 bucks. Wow. For the Cowies, I know these are available in green, blue, black, and silver. I know you can get them in red for the Hondas. Orange for the KTMs. I thought that was some markings right there, but it's just where the foam was stuck to it. So super cool pegs, man. Grab you a set of these if you can't find them, need help.